Hi there. Today I'm going to show you a video on how to make a long-lasting candle and a heat source from vegetable oil. Correct. Alright, here we go. You see, you just get the vegetable oil, any kind you want. You get the no-name brand, CRISCO, whatever works. You get some little jars, basically, and the CRISCO. And basically, you shove it into the jar, fill it right full. So, and each one of these lasts for approximately 8 to 10 hours. So it's a very, very good heat source and a light source. And it's all natural. Alright. There we go. Then we take this and we stick it in the microwave for 30 seconds. So, liquidy. And then we just use regular candles. Just like that, regular birthday candle as a wick. Just like that. Alright, there we go. There we go. The weekend, just like that. And then you can light that up and it'll work its way down and basically work as a good wick. There you go. And that'll last you like 8 to 10 hours of a good heat source. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.